What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Hey, if you're sick, stay home. But if you're worried about getting sick and you can't stay home, wear a face mask. And what I got was a face mask. Looks like a bear, not a panda bear, but just thought I'd check this one out. It's a stylish face mask. So if you want to roll around like you're avoiding the bird flu, this is the thing you want. It's fabric. It kind of feels like t-shirt material doubled up. It's actually pretty thick. And when I say doubled up, there's at least two, sheets of two pieces of fabric sewn together. And then you have ear loops, and it looks like this. And what we have here is a bear muzzle on the front. So if I put the sucker on like this, everything's kind of stretchy. These are stretchy. If I put this thing on like this, look at this. I look like a bear, and I'm protecting myself from disease and viruses and bacteria. Kind of the silk screening of the bear muzzle on the front is kind of creating like an area where it's kind of blocking the air a little bit. So you probably can't hear me great, but look at this. I look like a bear. I truly look like a panda now. A real panda. Anyway, if you want to stay sanitary in style, this is what you need. And if you don't care about that and you just want to walk around looking like a bear, this is what you need. So I'll put a link to it in the description. I'm going to wear this everywhere. This is great. I love it. Peter Von Panda out.